Hello and welcome back to my channel excelmania. So this is the second video of Excel free training beginner series. Okay, in the last class we just got familiar with the layout of the Excel. Now we are going to go deeper. So first of all, as I told you in the last class, that we have to click here. uh, if you want to start Excel, then just click on the window button and scroll down and find this Excel file as per your navigation. Like if you have this Excel 2013 or 2016, so you can just click here and one list of value is open and then you can find. But for me, it is uh, appearing here. But every time if I have to go like this, so it basically annoyed me. So what I have to do, I want here, because whenever I want, just click here and then Excel file should in front of me. So what I have to do, so just go there and right click, and then you have some options in front of you. So this is called taskbar. So just click here, pin to taskbar. What you have to click? Pin to taskbar. Okay. So when you click this button, so surprisingly, one icon appear here. And when you click it, then in front of you, there is a blank file. And when just double click or click this one, this icon, then a blank book one Excel file in front of you. Okay, now you have to save it, because obviously you want to work on it. But before you have to work, you want to save it. How you can save this file? So first of all, if you remember, then I told you that there is a quick access toolbar, and these type of like save, new, open, and these all which are frequently used uh, tools you can add here. For example, add here save. Okay, but if you go here in the tab file, so you can find here save. First one is new. If you want a new file, if you want to open existing file, if you want to save file, if you want to save as, what is the difference between save and save as? Save as, you can save in another format, and you can print, share if you want to share it, export, and so on. These are not much important. You want to close an account and options, we will discuss in any other class. But today, okay, you want to save it. Okay, just click here, and this PC or at a place, whatever you want. But I go there, browse. I browse my desktop. In desktop, I have Excelmania folder, and then I save this name of Excelmania, because I have already file. I just delete it, and then I save this file like Excelmania and click this button. So it is showing here because it was already existing. So but okay, just forget it. Now in front of you there is an Excel file, and here before it was written book one, but now it is showing Excelmania, means this file is now saved in my PC as the name of Excelmania. So just a quick recap. So here we have some close button, and restore down, and minimize and maximize, and there are some auto hide ribbon, and these four buttons are there. And here we have a quick access toolbar where we can add these frequently used buttons, tools, or we can remove or add here. Okay, so here we have some tabs like file, home, insert, page, formula, data, review, and these all tabs are here. And below the tabs, there are some groups like board, font, alignment, number, style, cell, editing, and so on. These are called uh, you remember these vertical things are called? They are called columns, and these horizontal lines are called what? Yes, these are called rows. And what is this all? A small rectangular block. What is called? Cell. Yes, this is a cell. And these are columns. These are the rows. And all these minute or small cells combine together to form a sheet, which included a set of columns and rows. Okay. So now, from in this class, we are going to start using Excel without wasting our time. So first of all, in this class, we are going to start using Home tab. Home tab actually use frequently any user, like any uh, personal, if you are using Excel for personal use, if you are using for professional use, in the both use, you have to know about this Home tab, because these all things are frequently used. So in this class, we just start to format this font, alignment, and number. Try to cover all these things, but because there are a lot of things and we cannot cover in only one class, and it might be overwhelming for you that these all things you cannot remember. So in this class, we just start using Excel with some formatting, like format of font. We can change the format of font, alignment, and uh, if we have time, so we can also go with the numbers. Okay. And I will let you know some shortcuts. So I suggest you that please don't avoid using uh, mouse. Okay. Use as possible as keyboard, and I will let you know some shortcuts in this course, and I will encourage you to use these shortcuts. Okay, without wasting our time. Okay, let's start it now. For example, you came back from uh, shopping, and now you have a grocery list, and you want to make your own grocery list in Excel. Okay, so let's start. For example, obviously, if it is a grocery store, so I have some items. Sorry, I have some items, and also um, all item has some price. Okay. For example, I bought soap, I bought shampoo, I bought sanitizer, I bought hand wash, and I bought body spray, and maybe some perfume. Okay. Now I bought soap in maybe $5, for example, or $1, shampoo in $5, sanitizer in, I suppose, $10, hand wash in $15, body spray in uh, sorry, 10 and 20, whatever. These are the price. Maybe this is two. Okay. Now, in front of you, there is a small list, and you can make what how much. For example, also you want to add serial number. Uh, I'm just typing this one. I'm not doing anything. Just typing from keyboard. Okay. This is number one. This is number two. This is three, four, five, and six. Okay. So this is a simple list I make with a serial number, with the item, with the price. Okay. Now I want to start from here. First of all, you have clipboard. Okay. In clipboard, what you can see here, this is a paste option, this is a cut option, this is a copy option, and format painter. Okay. So now, uh, for example, I have bought two types of soap. Now I want to uh, copy this soap and want to paste here in another cell. Okay. So what you have to do, the first option, you can go there and you copy it. Click here, copy. Then you can see here some lines are going continuously, going here and there. So this cell is now copy. And now click here and just paste it. So it is going to paste soap. So here you also see soap and here you also see soap, but it is called copy. In copy, what is the difference between cut and copy? In copy, the original remains the same, and you have the copy of the original in any other cell. But if you want to cut, for example, if you don't want here, you want this soap in this cell. So what you have to do, you don't want to copy it, but now you have to cut it and then click here and then paste it. Okay. And now you can observe that the soap is disappear from here and it comes in another place or another cell. Okay. So but this is the usage of cut, copy, and paste. But as I told you, that don't use this mouse. Okay. So how you can do it? So the first three important and frequently used shortcuts are control, control, and plus and C. So if you want to copy this one, so just press control and then C. So if you observe here, see there, so it is now copy. And the another shortcut is control plus V. If you want to copy it, so control C, and if you want to paste it, control V. Okay. And third one is control plus what? X. So control plus X means cut. Okay. Control plus C, copy. Control plus V, paste. And control plus X, cut. Okay. Now try yourself. Okay. Now you have to write any word. For example, I write here Excel. And now try control C, control V, control X, control V. Okay. So try for yourself, and now from today and onwards, don't go there and press here, cut, copy, and paste. Just use these three frequently used shortcuts. Okay. Now come here. Uh, Now I want to this is the heading of this a small table. So I want to change or the format of this heading. Okay, what I want to do, I want to change its font. I want to change. I want to bold it, and I want to italic it. I want to underline it. So where I have to go? So you have to go here in font. Okay. So all these qualities or parameters which you want to change, you can find here in front of you. If you This is actually a font group. You find anything you want to change the font of these things, this cell or these all cell, then you can find here. Okay, so for example, I want to change the, first of all I want to change the font style. So just click here, and you have in front of you there are hundreds of font styles. Okay, so whatever you want you can change it, but the standard one maybe Calibri, or for example I want to change this one, you can change it. Okay, and Arial is also a standard format, so you can change in Arial. Okay, now you want to increase the size. So here is the drop down button, and you just click here. These are all are the drop downs. These are called drop downs. When you click here, so you can find more options, and then you can change the format. Here you can change the size. Okay, and you observe that this all change only happen with the cell which you have selected. Okay, so now if I want to increase 12, 14, 16, whatever I want, then it will increase. For example, I put here 14. Also you have some options which you decrease the font or increase the font immediately. Okay, from here or from here, so you have two options. Secondly, you want to bold it, just go there and bold it. You want to italic it, go there, italic it. You want to underline it, just go there and underline it. Okay, border I will come later. Now you want that you have to add some colors, so there are different type of colors. For example, I select this gray color. Okay, now this format which I have required for this cell I already got, but now I want copy this all format to these both cells also, because these all are headings. So what I have to do, just is use this format painter. Okay, when you click here, the format and all the format of this cell copy, and now if you paste in these both cells, then just you select these cells, and then this format is copy on these both cells. Okay, so now you what you have done, that you uh, format the font of these three cells. Now what you want to do of these cells, you also want this some, because you think that these alignments are not good, so I want to align in between, because it is very on the right side, this is right side, this is and these all alignments are not uh, good, so I want to change alignment. So here you find alignment option. What is alignment? That uh, how it appear in the cell, it is in the right, in the medium. For example, now see here what happened. For example, we select all these, and whatever we want, any option, any operation, we have to select the cell. If you want only in one cell, we can select one. If you want more cell, then you just click here, and then by pressing the mouse, you can just go down like this one, and you select all these things. And you also do this with the shift and the arrow key. Okay, like press shift and then arrow key if you go the right side, if you want to go the left side, if you want to go the down or up. So you can do it with shift plus, how you can do it, shift plus arrow keys. So arrow keys you can find in your keyboard. There are four arrow keys, up and down and like this. Okay, so now we select these all these these numbers, and now we want to format like for example here, if you see here, these all formats are right side, left side, in between center, and then it is align right. This is align left. This is medium. This is the center. If you want to align top, align medium, or align down, but it is you cannot observe here because this is the smaller cell. In next classes maybe we will show here, but if you increase the size of the cell, then you can also observe these changes, like this one and this one. So but we want in center all these, we want in center. So just okay, so all you select this one and you center it in horizontally, and you center it vertically. Okay, now in front of you it becomes like, but you can see here that some text is not some text is hidden actually. So what you have to do, how you can show it, you just double click here. Okay, when you double click here, so it appears, or you can hold it and you can move this one with the right click. You just hold and then you can move it also, it is possible. And if you want to double click, then you can have this one. Okay, now this is your small table. Now you want the increase the size of this font, or font size. Okay, for example, I want 12. Okay, then again you can see here some text is hidden, so you just double click here, then it will appear. Now you want to add some lines. Okay, for example, the mm, you want to add some lines or borders in your table. So how you can do this? This is bottom border. Okay, you just click here. There are many options are there, but if you go here, and then you can see you can find your box here. Okay, uh, and you can choose any line type if you want, any from double line, thick line, or whatever you want to choose. For example, I choose this one, and then this option is none, this option is only outline, and this option is inside. If you press anything, then you can see the change here, and the same change will appear here if you press OK. So you have some other options like this one, if you press once, then it will appear. If you press again, then it will disappear. Okay, and there are different options, like if you want only upside, if you want medium, in between, if you want appear or disappear the below side, if you cross this one. So these are some options, you can use it, and then press this one, then it will appear here in your uh, table. So this is a small table, and by using this font, by this alignment, and this some options, some tools, we make this a small format, a small table of our grocery list. So I think that it is enough for now, because we have used some these tools, like font style, font size, we have bold it, underline it, and italic, and we give some borders. We fill with colors. We can also change, for example, if you want to change the color of the font, you can change from here. For example, if you want white, so you can do it. And then uh, I told you some alignment options. Okay, so now it is your homework that make a small table of your any grocery list, and if possible, then send me on my email. This is my email address, amjadpsml@hotmail.com. And uh, you can practice it as much as possible, and we will go forward with small chunks, small things, because there are a lot of things in Excel, and you can do whatever you want in your mind, you can do with Excel. So Excel is a, you can say it is a sea of operations. But right now, because you are very beginner, so for you it is enough that you just what you have to do, like similarly you can write here serial number, item, price, and then you make one small list of your grocery, maybe maybe 10 items or 20 items or maybe 5 items, and then try to use these all three shortcuts which I told you: copy, paste, and cut. That's it. So this is the end of the second class, and in the third class we go much deeper forward, and also use some other options like wrap, text, and merge, and all these, because in these classes, in beginner classes, we just concentrate on some very basic operation of Excel. So I hope you like this video, and please comment below that how you find this video, and if there is any suggestion or anything which you want to ask me, you can comment below. And please subscribe my channel and share with your loved ones. And if you have any question, you can send me on my email. And please, if you make any format file, you save it, as I told you, save in your PC, and then send me. And please avoid using mouse, and try to use more keyboard if you want to be proficient, if you want to efficiently use Excel. So that's today's class is now finished, and we will meet in our next class. Please take very best care of yourself, and see you in next class. Thank you.